Hello, parents and students. As I posted on Class Dojo, starting today, all assignments from math and science will be done and graded in Google Classroom. I created this video to help you access the platform. Our students are familiar with it because we use it right before spring break at least 3 times. But just to ensure that you have all the tools you need, this is what we have to do. First, let's remember that the username for students is going to be their ID number, student ID, which normally is a 7-digit ID, like the example I put right here, at dallasisd.org. And the password for everyone, this is for all the students, is going to be the same. Capital D S I at 1617. Again, the username is going to be the student ID at dallasisd.org. And the password for everyone is going to be capital D S I at 1617. Now that you have that information, let's go and check how to access Google. There are different ways to access Google Classroom. The first one is on the Clever portal of students. They also access Clever with the username and password that I just gave you. They can check student tools, and Google Classroom is right here. That is the first way to access. Second way to access, if they have a Google Chromebook, like the ones they received yesterday, it's also going to be here at the bottom of your screen in a bigger picture, so they can easily access through here without having to go to Clever. They just click on Google Classroom on the icon right here and they will go there. If they don't have a Google Chromebook and they're using a laptop or any other device at home, they can go and type Classroom Google. So they type Classroom Google on any browser, and the first option that appears as Google Classroom, they click on it and they are ready to start. This is my Google Classroom. I have one group for 3F, one group for 3H. Today I'm going to show you the type of assignments that they will do. There will always be only 2 types of assignments. If I expand and start using another form, I will explain it here through a video mainly. So when the students access Google Classroom and they click on the class, that in this case is for math and science, they will only see 3 options on the tabs: stream, classwork, and people. They are not going to see grades. This is only for teachers. If they access Google Classroom right now, on the stream, which is like for general communication, they will be able to see the assignments that are upcoming. You can see they have one assignment to take attendance. Another assignment is for math and another one is for science. I also posted something here. If you're on stream, you will see the instructions for today. I also asked for them to type one comment here to say hello to me and your classmates. I mean, this is optional, but it's also for them to start using the platform and be familiar. However, students are always required to go to classwork. Stream is only going to be optional. They don't need to be there. Classwork is where they have to go, right there. When they click on classwork, they're going to see the 3 assignments for today. I'm going to ask for a lot of your participation there because my assignments are going to close every day at 8 p.m. I'm not going to leave it open unless I have an exceptional case of students who, for a reason, they cannot log in the entire day before 8 p.m. The first thing they will have to do every day, and this is for every single class day, Monday to Friday, they need to find the attendance for that day. When they click on it, they're going to have two options. I cannot show you the platform as a student because I don't have an access for a student. This is the way I see it as a teacher, but basically they click on attendance. They will have to choose one of the two options. It's a multiple choice, and then they just click on it and click submit. Please do not type comments. You will also see an option that says comment. You don't have to make any comment. It is just a question. That's why the picture, the logo here looks like a question. And then students just have to choose the two options, okay? So again, please do not type comments. For a reason, I cannot eliminate the option for comments, so they will continue to appear, but I am confident that students will know they don't have to type comments. The comments are exclusively when they really have a question about basically the assignment I posted. So they only have to type the option there for attendance. The two options for attendance are going to be I'm online and ready to learn, or I'm online but need some help to start learning. It means maybe they need something else, or they have to ask me a question before I go there, then I will contact them using this tool. So this is only for attendance every day. Then they have one assignment for math, which says on the quiz page, which is this one right here. This is a quiz. You can see it here. Click or type the answer for each of the 7 questions of your today's math countdown. Again, they have to do the assignment that is here. Let me find the one for today. They have this paper. They have to do this on their own paper. And when they have the answers, once they have finished working on their paper, then they come here. They're going to click on the form that looks like this. They need to write their name. And then each question that they see on this paper right here, each of the questions that they see on the paper, they're going to type their answers so I can grade it. Okay. When they finish, they need to click on submit, and automatically they will know the score for that paper. That is going to be on a range from 0 to 100. That is how to submit an assignment. As soon as they click on submit here, I'm going to be able to see that they turn in their work. Okay, so that is for math assignment. Another example of an assignment here, there is a question again, and let's see, the question says, do you know what your science assignment is? I'm going to click on view the question. Do you know what your science assignment from Ms. Bennett is? Remember that you copied instruction and page numbers on a sticky note. For a grade in science, choose the right information. Only one option is correct. I did this question just to provide them with a grade for this week. They do not have to do the assignments. I just want to know that all of them have their books and all of them know what pages we're going to be doing next week for science. So that's basically it. Again, on classwork for today, they're going to see these 3 assignments. One is attendance, one assignment for math, and one question. It is not really an assignment. They don't have to do it. One question for science. As soon as they answer what they have to do, I will see their answer. Okay. So that's basically it. I understand it's going to be a little bit hard to get what we have to do in the first few days. That's why I'm making this video. I'm going to also be posting it on Google Classroom right here on the stream. I'm going to put the link of this video, and just please be patient there. I'm going to try to help my students with all the questions they have about how to use Google Classroom. And I'm very sure that once they get the hang of it, they understand how to do it, it's going to be way smoother for everyone. Thank you.